You might think you are doing everything right for your feline companion, but there is a silent issue in your home that could be causing your cat immense stress. The way you set up and maintain your cat's litter box can make or break their happiness, and you might be committing some critical blunders without even realizing it. To ensure your home remains a peaceful sanctuary, you need to recognize the 12 most common litter box mistakes and correct them immediately with feline minds. Your first major misstep could be selecting a litter box that is far too small. While compact boxes are convenient for saving space in your home, they are incredibly uncomfortable for your cat. Your cat needs a box that is at least 1 to 1.5 times the length of their body, providing plenty of room to turn around and dig naturally. You might also be making access far too difficult by choosing a covered or hidden litter box. Although a lid keeps things out of your sight, it traps odors and robs your cat of their line of vision. Going to the bathroom is a moment of extreme vulnerability for your cat, and they need an open box so they can scan their surroundings and feel safe. Selecting a box with excessively high sides is another common issue. While high walls are great for containing flying litter, they make it painful and difficult for your cat to step inside, especially as they get older. You can easily solve this by choosing a box that features at least one significantly lower entry wall. You must never place your cat's litter box right next to their food and water bowls. This setup is highly unhygienic and goes against your cat's natural instincts. You would never want to eat your meals inside your bathroom, and your cat feels exactly the same way, so you must keep these areas completely separate. Placing the box in a noisy or highly active area is another huge mistake. Setting the litter box in a busy hallway or right next to a loud washing machine will startle your cat and make them avoid using it altogether. You should place the box in a quiet, low-traffic corner where your cat can feel completely relaxed. You might also be using a type of litter that is deeply uncomfortable for your cat's sensitive paws. Sharp silica crystals or rough clay grains can actually hurt their delicate paw pads. You can test this by pressing your hand firmly into the litter, and if it feels uncomfortable to you, it is definitely painful for your cat, meaning you should switch to a softer alternative. If you want to discover even more ways to keep your cat healthy and happy, you can subscribe to Feline Minds right now, leave a like on this video, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on essential cat care advice. Another critical error is choosing heavily scented litters like lavender, citrus, or coffee. Your cat's sense of smell is incredibly advanced compared to yours, making these artificial perfumes completely overwhelming for them. Cats actually prefer a litter that retains their own familiar scent, which helps them feel secure in their territory. You might also be failing to provide enough litter boxes in your home. The golden rule is to always have one box per cat, plus one extra box. This ensures that if one box becomes dirty, dusty, or temporarily blocked, your cat always has a clean alternative, preventing accidents around your house. You could also be putting the wrong depth of litter in the box. Using too little litter prevents your cat from burying their waste, while using too much can make them feel like they are sinking in quicksand. You should aim for a consistent depth of 5 to 7 centimeters so your cat can dig easily. Using plastic liners in the litter box is another convenient trick that actually backfires. When your cat tries to bury their waste, their sharp claws will snag, rip, and shred the plastic. This not only ruins the liner, but also causes your cat a great deal of frustration and stress during a private moment. You must also remember to adapt the litter box as your cat ages. A senior cat has vastly different physical needs than a young kitten, and they will eventually require a box with a very low entrance to accommodate stiff joints. You also need to clean the box more frequently and monitor their waste closely for any sudden changes in health. Finally, you should never attempt to toilet train your cat. While teaching your cat to use a human toilet might seem like a clever way to avoid scooping, it goes entirely against their natural instincts to dig and bury. It also poses a serious slip hazard and prevents you from monitoring their waste, which is your primary way of catching early signs of illness. Your cat relies on you for everything, and understanding their subtle behaviors is the key to a strong bond. To discover 10 incredible things your cat is already doing for you without you even realizing it, you can click on the video on your screen right now and continue your journey with Feline Minds.